Ready to unlock a world of high-paying freelance opportunities? Let's dive into creating your Toptal account, the gateway to becoming a top-tier freelancer. First, navigate to the Toptal website and click on the Apply to Freelance button, likely found in the top right corner. You'll be presented with an account creation form. Start by entering your first name, last name, email address, and desired password. Choose a strong password and make sure you remember it. Carefully fill out each required field. Double-check your email for accuracy, as this is how Toptal will communicate with you. Then, indicate your preferred area of expertise, which could be anything from software development to design. Select the option that accurately reflects your skills. Next up is your skills assessment. This is where you showcase your experience, answer the questions truthfully, and provide detailed information about your past projects, experience, and the technologies or skills you've mastered. Now, to significantly boost your chances of approval, focus on crafting a professional and compelling profile. Write a concise but engaging overview summarizing your key skills and experience. Think about what makes you stand out. Then, include a portfolio showcasing your best work. Have readily accessible links to your previous projects, case studies, or design samples. High-quality work samples demonstrate your capabilities. Before submitting your application, review everything to ensure accuracy. Correct any errors. Once you are ready, submit your application. Following submission, you'll enter the Toptal screening process, which may include online tests and interviews. Get ready to demonstrate your skills. Good luck, and start building your freelance career.